Here are 5 things you didn't know about Caligula's reign of madness from 37 to 41 AD. First, he literally declared war on Neptune and ordered his soldiers to attack the ocean with their swords. After the bizarre battle, he made them collect seashells as spoils of war from his victory over the sea god. Second, he appointed his horse Incitatus as consul, giving the animal a marble stall and ivory manger. He even planned to make the horse a full senator with purple blankets and servants. Third, he built a temporary bridge across the entire Bay of Naples just to ride across it. He wore Alexander the Great's breastplate during the ride to prove a soothsayer wrong. Fourth, he forced elderly senators to run alongside his chariot for miles in the scorching heat. He made them worship him as a living god in daily ceremonies, completely humiliating Rome's leadership. Fifth, his final act of madness was planning to move the entire Roman government to Egypt. He wanted to rule as a pharaoh, which finally convinced the Praetorian Guard to assassinate him in the palace tunnels.